Hello again, Dr. Lenz here to go over the advanced search in Jstor. And if you need to know how to get to Jstor, check out the other video I have posted. So I guess this is like number 2 in the series. Alright, Jstor, the advanced search here, will allow a little bit more flexibility to focus in on something very specific. So I'm going to use Sandor Cisneros again, and let's say gender criticism. We've been working with that this semester. So this will look for search results that have hits with these two key terms in combination. So I'm going to narrow it down also by articles, because that's going to be more useful for our our search results, because we don't necessarily need reviews or books or miscellaneous pamphlets or research reports, stuff like that. We want articles. Click on here. Alright, so we have a total of 30 search results. That is very manageable. Now, we can take a look through the search results here and see what sort of grabs your eye. This is the easier part of research. Here we're just taking a look at the title to see, like, okay, is this maybe something of interest? And then down here we can take a look at other key terms associated with the article. And then in the middle here we have the author and the place of publication and when it was published. So this should hopefully be a nice, useful tool for you to get going with research. Alright, over here on the right, you can, I'm not entirely sure how the save would work, because I haven't even logged in or anything like that. In other databases, I've had students, save an article and then not be able to find it again. So I would say just download the PDF, therefore you just always have it. Okay, so hopefully this will help get you started with researching.